I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We cook
Season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it.
A
Hey,
drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Today we are going to make some air fryer granola from scratch. I got this recipe from a great friend of mine's, D Diets. Alright, and we are going to get into the ingredients. Be right back. Alright guys, so here are the ingredients you will be needing to make this air crisp. Alright, granola. Let's get started. Oh, and we will also need some cane sugar or whatever sugar that you like. So I used about half a teaspoon of each of the seasoning, the spices, and then I used 1 tablespoon of the cinnamon powder. Alright, so I have my air fryer set to 350 degrees for 10 minutes. So that's going to be the first cycle. Alright guys, so we are ready to go ahead and mix up our granola, okay, to get put in the air fryer. Thank you, shout out to D Diets. I truly appreciate this recipe. So I am going to use 2 cups of the oats, okay? I am going to use some sliced almonds, okay? And this is 1/3 cup of the pumpkin, pure pumpkin, okay? 1/3. Have our sugar and spices, and some almonds. All right. And so what we're gonna do is mix it all up, get it combined to chunks, and I'll be right back to show you what we got. Okay guys, so this is what we're looking like. And I ended up adding half a cup of the pure pumpkin, okay? So this is what the consistency in clumps. And we're gonna go ahead and add it into our air fryer basket. I am using my Ninja Foodie. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited because this is going to be for breakfast, snack, and all of that throughout the work week. So I'll be right back. All right, so we are going to place our granola. And so I was trying not to get my fingers sticky, so that's why I'm placing it in here this way. But I'm going to have to get down and dirty, okay? And it's supposed to be in clumps like this, guys. So no worries, okay? Oh, guys, so we're going to just spread it out a little bit. All right? And then now I'm going to place it inside the air fryer. And like I told you guys, I had this down there just for this reason. And I told you guys we're going to set it to air fry on 350. I'm just choosing 350 because I don't want it burnt. Okay? And we're going to air fry for 10 minutes. Okay? And we're off. I'll be back. These containers are good for something. Look at that. I use this Jello, whatever, and put that leftover pumpkin. Now I gotta find some recipes. Make sure you comment down below and give me something that I can make besides pie with this, okay? Hey guys, this has been the 10 minutes thus far. hot. So you can crumble it up into more bite-sized pieces. I'm probably going to do cereal or something with it. So break it up a little bit like that. And I'm going to put it back in for 5 more minutes. And then we're going to see how this is. And I might have a bowl of granola cereal with you guys, okay? So there you got it. It's hot. So let's put this back in for 5 more minutes. It's still a little moist, so I'm gonna put it back in for 5 more minutes. All right, we are done. Look at that. Guys, I am ready to chow down. I don't think I'm gonna have, but listen. It's just the way I like it. It's not sweet. Delicious. Thank you, D-Diet. I truly appreciate you. I'm gonna store it in this jar, guys. Here. And voila. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the video. Comment down below. I love conversing with each and every one of you guys. I truly, truly appreciate you. Add some strawberry Greek yogurt and some blueberries, and yes. So thanks for watching, and thanks for watching my last video, and I hope you make some. Thank you, D-Diets. It is delicious. And don't forget, guys, this is plant-based, so you can make your own granola at home. Until next time, later.